Husqvarna Motorcycles is ending 2024 with an exhilarating bang, unveiling two new factory edition bikes from their renowned FC range, the 2025 Husqvarna FC 250 and FC 450. Just like their sister company, KTM, Husqvarna is paying homage to its Rockstar Energy Husqvarna factory racing team with these special edition bikes, giving riders a taste of what it's like to ride a bike straight off the professional race circuit. The new factory editions are designed to embody the spirit and performance of Husqvarna's competition machines. These bikes are not just for show, they are finely tuned for performance, packed with high-end features and custom racing upgrades, making them a dream come true for any motocross enthusiast. Visually, these bikes stand out with custom Rockstar Energy livery that mirrors the bikes used by professional riders in the Rockstar Energy Husqvarna factory racing team. Riders will have the option to choose between two different number decal configurations, the number 27, featured on the bike ridden by Malcolm Stewart, or the number 1, the signature of R.J. Hampshire's bike. These special decals, paired with a striking black and white color scheme, bring the racing aesthetic straight to the street. However, these factory editions aren't just about looks. Husqvarna has equipped both the FC 250 and FC 450 with performance features that elevate them above the stock models. At the core of these bikes is Husqvarna's connectivity unit off-road, which pairs with a dedicated mobile app to provide riders with crucial data and performance customization. The CUO system allows for advanced adjustments such as fine-tuning the engine maps, optimizing engine braking, launch control, traction control, and even suspension settings. This level of customization ensures that every rider can tailor the bike to their exact preferences and riding conditions. In terms of performance, the 2025 Husqvarna FC 250 and FC 450 factory editions are built for serious riding. Both bikes are equipped with a durable white chromium molybdenum steel frame, paired with a die-cast aluminum swing arm, and a hybrid aluminum polyamide subframe. These components contribute to a lightweight yet robust design that provides superb stability, handling, and comfort even in the most extreme conditions. The suspension system on both models includes 48mm WP-Zacked front forks and a WP-Zacked rear shock, offering exceptional control and comfort during high-speed races or challenging off-road terrains. The suspension is paired with Excel Takasago wheels, which come with black anodized CNC machined hubs and are wrapped in Dunlop Geomax MX34 tires. These high-performance tires are designed to offer maximum grip and durability, allowing riders to push their limits without worry. To handle braking duties, both the FC 250 and FC 450 come with Brembo brakes, ensuring precision stopping power during intense rides. The bikes are also fitted with a set of dedicated triple clamps that allow for two handlebar mounting positions, giving riders the flexibility to adjust their riding position based on their needs and comfort. Engine performance is another area where these factory editions shine. While the engines themselves are similar to the stock models, Husqvarna has made several upgrades to enhance power and efficiency. The bikes come equipped with an FMF Racing Factory 4.1 silencer, which improves exhaust flow and reduces noise, while a gold chain connects the engine to the rear wheel for enhanced performance and durability. Additionally, a carbon skid plate and disc protector are included to protect the bike's undercarriage when riding over rough terrain. Although Husqvarna has not yet released pricing details or a specific launch date for these bikes, the 2025 FC 250 and FC 450 factory editions are expected to hit dealerships sometime in 2025. These bikes will undoubtedly be highly sought after by racing enthusiasts and motocross fans alike, as they offer an unparalleled combination of cutting-edge design, high-performance features, and the unmistakable flair of Rockstar Energy. If you're ready to take your motocross experience to the next level, the 2025 Husqvarna FC 250 and FC 450 factory editions are ready to deliver top-tier performance and style.